Chaos, the comprehensive human appraisal for originating software, is all about the human factor. For almost a quarter of a century, we have been looking at why some software projects succeed and other projects fail. We collected more than 300 common reasons. We cataloged them and broke them down into 100 points and 3 elements each, and then spread them over the 10 factors of success. All these point to one major ingredient that will improve project success and value, which is the culture of the organization. If you can improve the culture, you can improve project success and value. However, there is no magic wand to improve your culture. It takes time and hard work. In order to improve your culture, you need work on relationship skills. The Project Resolution Benchmark helps identify the relationship skills that your organization can work on to improve your cultural skills. Over the years, we have tried to make our benchwork process more automated and self-managed to reduce costs while still providing an excellent value to our customers. Our process is rapid, simple, comprehensive, inexpensive, and easily comprehensible. The output is a report with the following 3 major items: a comparison of your project outcomes with other projects in our database, environmental skills scores and benchmark, 3 habits to adopt or avoid. The Project Resolution Benchmark, a self-service instrument, offers the following features: a database of 50,000 complex and in-depth projects, an artificial intelligence engine with 20 years of experience, remote adjudication and analysis. The Project Resolution Benchmark uses a 3-step method to help benchmark your organization against similar organizations on the basis of size, industry, project mix, types, and capability. The results will provide you with 3 suggestions that can improve your project value and delivery by 25 to 50%, and in the process greatly improve customer satisfaction with your company's projects. There are 3 steps you need to complete the Resolution Benchmark. Step 1, Organization Profile. Step 2, Skills Appraisal. Step 3, Project Profiles. Step 1, Organizational Profile. This step, which should take about 10 minutes to complete, presents 12 questions that should help describe your company. While these are general questions, they are used to select matching projects for the benchmark results. Step 2, Skills Appraisal. The Skills Appraisal poses 50 questions that discern your company's capabilities for carrying out and finishing a project successfully. These questions are used for 3 purposes: 1, to give a project environmental score, 2, to help select matching projects from the database, and 3, to help the advisor provide suggestions to improvement. It is best to have at least 3 people to do this exercise together to be sure you have consensus. Step 3, Project Profiles. You will describe each of your company's projects through your responses to 14 closed-ended questions to be answered using drop-down boxes. You will need to have completed a minimum of 25 projects and a maximum of 30 projects. It will take you about 10 to 15 minutes to complete each profile for a total of 4 to 6 hours. This step requires a minimum of 3 people to do this exercise together. The people should be the executive sponsor, major stakeholder, and project team member. It is best if the project manager be only observer and supply only factual information upon request. Note, be sure to include projects that were canceled and not used during the period of the benchmark. The data from this step is used to match projects within the CHAOSS database. Once you complete the 3-step data collection, the data will be input into the CHAOSS Case-Based Application, or Artificial Intelligence Engine. The engine will match your profiles against the 50,000 project cases in the CHAOSS database and select the 100 nearest neighbors for each 3-part profile, thus creating a personalized dataset of 2,500 to 3,000 project profiles. The CHAOSS engine will then compare your completed 3-step profiles against this personalized dataset to create the results. A Standish professional advisor will review the output from the AI engine and create a personalized report. Your personalized report will contain 3 sections. Section 1 is a comparison of your project outcomes against a series of pie charts. Section 2, Environmental Skills Scores and Benchmark, compares your company's factors of success skills against the skills of the general population and of successful projects in the CHAOSS database. Step 3, 3 habits to adopt or avoid, uses your skills, data, and factors for project success to create recommendations to improve your culture, to improve your chances of success, and to help you gain value from your projects. Section 1, page 1 is a comparison of your project outcomes against the following series of pie charts. Traditional resolution measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for on time, on budget, and on target. For example, project scope. Challenged projects are projects that were completed but came in late, over budget, or did not meet the target specification. Failed projects were either canceled or never used. Section 1, page 2. Modern resolution measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for on time and on budget with satisfied customers. Challenged projects are projects that were completed but came in late, over budget, or failed to satisfy customers. Failed projects were either canceled or never used. Pure resolution measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for high value and high customer satisfaction. Challenged projects are projects that did not meet either of these standards. Failed projects were either canceled or never used. Section 1, page 3. Value is measured on a 5-point scale. Each project in the CHAOSS database is assigned a rate by the Standish Advisor using this scale. The value charts compare your input with the projects in our database. Goal is measured on a 5-point scale. Each project in the CHAOSS database is assigned a rate by the Standish Advisor using this scale. The goal charts compare your input with the projects in our database. Section 1, page 4. Capability is measured on a 5-point scale. Each project in the CHAOSS database is assigned a rate by the Standish Advisor using this scale. The capability charts compare your input with the projects in our database. Satisfaction is measured on a 5-point scale. Each project in the CHAOSS database is assigned a rate by the Standish Advisor using this scale. The satisfaction charts compare your input with the projects in our database. Section 1, page 5. On time measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for on-time resolution. This is a yes or no binary question. We then compare your answers to the answers in the CHAOSS database. On budget measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for on-budget resolution. This is a yes or no binary question. We then compare your answers to the answers in the CHAOSS database. Section 1, page 6. On target measures your projects against the CHAOSS database for meeting project requirements. This is a yes or no binary question. We then compare your answers to the answers in the CHAOSS database. Section 2, page 7. Project Environmental Skills Scores and Benchmark compares your company's factors of success skills against the skills of the general population and of successful projects in the CHAOSS database. The result is a table that presents your general skill scores based on our standard and benchmarks your skills against those of the general population. Your assigned Standish Advisor will get a special version based on successful projects in the CHAOSS database that match your projects. This is used to provide personalized recommendations. Section 3, page 8. 3 habits to adopt or avoid uses your skills, data, and factors for project success to create recommendations to improve your chances of success and to help you gain value from your projects. A Standish Advisor will develop these personalized recommendations. This section will also make recommendations on some resources that can be used to increase skills, and will provide information on ways to reduce costs by eliminating aspects that represent marginal value and increase project duration. Your overall effort in adopting our recommendations will exponentially affect the value of your project while reducing your project costs. It also makes your teams more productive and happier.